Well, hey everybody, just doing a before video of my 75 Chevelle. It's gonna get the engine done. Yeah. And there's the greasy mess that's gonna be rebuilt and redone. And hopefully gets a little quicker. The stupid snow melt off of it, so we don't get any more. Let's see if we can't get it started. This isn't really a cold start for Canada, but I guess we'll see what happens. Some pumpage. Come on now. Hey, there we go. Car's been sitting for about a month or so. Fires up like a champ. This is what it sounds like before. 2.5-inch pipes, so that'll be good for whatever kind of power this thing makes. So yeah, let her warm up here. And there she is running. Yeah, so 400 small block. Well, if I have my way, it should be a 406 when it comes back. It should be a lot shinier too. So yeah. Now that I've got some snow down in there. Does sound nice the way it is though, but there's certain few cars that need to be destroyed this summer, so hopefully this car will be able to do that. I have lots of confidence. So anyways, well, see you later. Oh, and there's the Monty, by the way. Yeah, that's my winter car. It's my winter beater. Alright, well, have fun out there.